In this tutorial, you will use py3dep to access high-resolution digital elevation model data from the United States Geological Survey, and you will export it as a GeoTIFF file. Before we dive into the code, please note that the link to the complete code for this tutorial is located in the video description below. Feel free to follow along as we explore the process step by step. Let's start by setting up our environment. First, we will install the necessary libraries, including py3dep and matplotlib, among other libraries. These tools will help us fetch, analyze, and visualize the elevation data. With our libraries installed, we are ready to dive into the data. Next, we import our tools from py3dep for elevation data to matplotlib for visualization. Each library plays a crucial role in our analysis. To select our area of interest, we define a function to handle rectangle selection on an interactive map. Then we initialize the interactive map. Watch how we can draw a rectangle to select our desired area. Once we have selected an area, we extract the bounding box coordinates. This will define the exact location for which we'll fetch the DEM data. Before fetching the data, let's check the availability of DEM data at different resolutions. This ensures we can get the most detailed information for our selected area. In this example, I am going to use the 3-meter DEM. And now the exciting part. We specify our resolution, fetch the data, and visualize it to get our first glimpse of the terrain. With our data in hand, we will export it as a GeoTIFF file. This file format is perfect for further geographical analysis or for sharing with your colleagues. And I forgot to show you in this video, but if you want to download the GeoTIFF, you can click on this folder and download the GeoTIFF. For those of you who are curious to explore further, you can visualize the downloaded GeoTIFF using different color map to understand the terrain features more vividly. Great, you have learned how to fetch, visualize, and export to DEM data using py3dep. I encourage you to explore new areas and apply what you learned to your projects.